Our special continuous coverage of the Delhi election results continues. Those visuals on your screens are from the BJP headquarters in the national capital. Amit Shah, senior BJP leader and Union Home Minister, reaching the BJP headquarters. He is, of course, greeting all of the BJP workers. This has been a big day for the Bharatiya Janata Party, breaking that 27-year jinx of the party. And years later, more than 2 decades later, is when the BJP is all set to form the government in the national capital. Those are live visuals. Remember, Amit Shah had tweeted after these results came in. He had said that जनता ने अपने वोट से गंदी यमुना, पीने का गंदा पानी, टूटी सड़कें, ओवरफ्लो होते सीवरों और हर गली में खुले शराब के ठेकों का जवाब दिया है. Hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party, of course, led by Arvind Kejriwal and the outgoing Chief Minister Atishi. And in fact, he's also promised the safety of women, the dignity for the unauthorized colony residents, and more employment opportunities for the national capital. Of course, Manoj Tiwari there, you can see visuals मीटिंग अमित शाह.
लोगों को उस महामारी से निकाला था. यह भी कोई कम महामारी नहीं है जो इन लोगों ने दिल्ली के साथ बर्बादी की है. हम गुरु साहब का धन्यवाद करते हैं कि दिल्ली को इस आपदा से राहत मिली है और अब दिल्ली के लोग दिल्ली का विकास देख पाएंगे. मोदी जी की अगुवाई के अंदर जो सरकार बनेगी वो दिल्ली के विकास के लिए होगी. अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की सरकार दिल्ली के विनाश के लिए थी. धन्यवाद.
Manjinder Singh Sirsa there, of course, BJP's Rajouri Garden candidate. He's won his seat as well, and he is in fact one of those names who's been doing the rounds as far as the front runners for the chief ministerial position is concerned. Let me straight away go across to Nikhil, who's at the BJP headquarters, my colleague who's been tracking all of these developments as far as the celebrations and the naming of the chief minister by the BJP is concerned. Nikhil, Amit Shah has now reached. In a short while from now, we're also going to be seeing Prime Minister Narendra Modi reaching the BJP headquarters. It's going to be a big, big day. 27 years later, the BJP is all set to form the government in the national capital. What are you hearing? When can we expect the Prime Minister? What's the sense that you're getting among the Karyakartas of the BJP today?
So Shreya, we are going to show you the 360-degree view of the Bharatiya Janata Party headquarters here in the DDU Marg of the capital city. And in a moment's time from now, we are hearing that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to arrive right from this particular gate only. And a while back, Home Minister Amit Shah has arrived here at the party headquarters. JP Nadda, who is the BJP National President, he has already arrived at the party headquarters. So many of the workers, many of the leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, they have already arrived at this particular place, and this is the visual, this is the very picture which is being played out on the screen of the mirror now, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to walk down the aisle. And this is on the left hand side, on the right hand side as well. You can see that many of the supporters of the Bharatiya Janata Party and the workers as well, they have gathered here to give a grand reception to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because during his tenure only the BJP has been able to secure a powerful comeback after 27 years here in the city. So that is
very well reception by the workers. So on one side we can see that the people and the workers are waiting here for the arrival of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. On the other side there is huge gathering of the workers who are sitting patiently. We are joined by some of the women workers as well who would be speaking. आप पूरा सज धज के आई हैं, झंडा वगैरह लेकर के आई हैं. क्या क्या थॉट है, क्या क्या किस तरीके से आपके अंदर के अरमान अभी निकल रहे हैं, क्योंकि बड़ी बात है 27 साल बाद
वगैरह लेकर के आई हैं. क्या क्या थॉट है, क्या क्या किस तरीके से आपके अंदर के अरमान अभी निकल रहे हैं, क्योंकि बड़ी बात है 27 साल बाद.
27 साल के बाद हम लोग जो है हमारी बीजेपी सरकार, उन्होंने किए, लेकिन हमारी सरकार ने जो है वो पूरे किए हैं और करेगी.
महिलाओं के बारे में बोला जा रहा है कि बड़ा रोल महिलाओं ने अदा किया है. आपको लगता है ये बात सही है?
हाँ, महिलाओं ने करा, कि महिलाओं के लिए वो बहुत ही, मोदी जी ने हम लोग की जो सरकार है वो महिलाओं के लिए बहुत कुछ किया. बहुत क्या चीज नहीं है जो उन्होंने उनको नहीं दी.
Okay, so this is the word which is coming in from the women workers as well. So we are going to show you on the other side, Shreya, where the workers have gathered in huge number. That is the place where a while back dhols were being played out, the band was also being played out, and outside the party headquarters, the firecrackers were also, were used by the BJP workers. And the stage is also set, the podium is also set, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with Home Minister Amit Shah and JP Nadda, he is going to sit here. And that is the particular podium from where Prime Minister is going to address a huge gathering here at the party headquarters. And as we speak, Shreya, the anthem is also being played out, which has been sung by Member of Parliament Manoj Tiwari. Now, on one side, the question is arising as to who is going to become the Chief Minister for the capital city from the Bharatiya Janata Party. It appears to be a big day, a historic day for all the leaders, for all the unit people as well, for all the
Okay,
workers.
Nikhil, you know what? I'll come back to you. Of course, we will keep getting our viewers the latest from the BJP headquarters. Minister Amit Shah has reached, other ministers are also reaching, other veteran BJP leaders, whether it's Nirmala Sitharaman or Ashwini Vaishnav, all of them gathering at the BJP headquarters in the national capital. But let's also listen in to what Bansuri Swaraj had to say about this victory of the BJP, as well as Virendra Sachdeva, who's been one of the top faces as far as the Delhi BJP unit is concerned.